Question 3 for Unit 17 asks us to follow a savings account that has an APY of 5.05%. But there's a monthly fee. So our first step will have to be to turn the 5.05% annually into a monthly rate. Here's our standard procedure for doing that. We'll follow $100 over 12 months. We choose $100 because it's a round amount, making it easy to calculate what the amount should be at the end of the year. If $100 rises 5%, it would rise to $105 at the end of the year. If it rises 5.05%, it should end up at $105 and 0.05, that's 5 cents. What's the correct monthly rate then? Let's start with an arbitrary amount, 0.5% per month. 0.5% per month turns out to be what percent per year? It's 6.17%. We're looking instead for 5.05%. So we'll change the final value to 105.05 by changing the monthly interest rate. And here's our answer. This percentage, 0.41139 and so on, is the monthly equivalent of an annual rate of 5.05. Now, here's what happens with our savings account. We start out with a balance of $1,800. Here are the months. And here's the service charge we get charged by the bank. It depends on the balance for the month. During the first month, our balance is $1,800. At the end of the month, of course, we'll be adding some interest. But during the month, the balance was this amount here. If this amount here, the balance during this month, is less than $2,000, then the fee will be $5. Otherwise, there's no fee at all. We'll reformat this to look like money. And then we can easily say what the balance will be at the end of the month. At the end of the month, it will be what it was before, plus the interest credited. The monthly interest is calculated using this rate here, minus any fee, and the fee is in the now hidden cell D5. Notice that we don't use absolute addressing because the fee will change as the balance grows till it grows to larger than 2,000. If we drag down, we'll always be calculating the fee each month based on the amount that was in the bank account during that month, which is the amount just up and to the left. This is the amount at the end of the month after interest has been credited and the fee has been subtracted. Our question is, when does this balance reach 2,100? 47 months later, it's not there. We can see that it reaches 2,100 after 84 months. And what's more, we can see what happens to the charges each month. Here we were charged a fee of $5 because during this month, the 72nd month, our balance was the balance at the end of the 71st month. This amount here, it was less than 2,000, and so we were charged a service fee. Here in the 73rd month, our balance during the month was this amount, more than 2,000, and so we were not charged a service fee.